reverse the engines to slow down. That's brilliant. Good morning, good evening or good afternoon folks. I've just been up to Birmingham on a bit of business. No, not the dating site, that's a waste of time. So I'm in Sheldon. I haven't had any breakfast, so I've decided before I go I'm going to go to Sheldon Park for a little walk round. That's where the planes, you can see them taking off. So I'm just going to the main sort of street here, if I don't get run over, to just get something to eat. I've just noticed the dentist behind me, and I've actually got to go to the dentist next Friday and have some teeth out at the back. They're going to sedate me. I'm not going to do a video on it, but so from next Friday I might be a bit rough for a few days. So anyway, I'll talk more about that in a bit. I was going to give you a little shot around where I am. Yeah, hi folks. It's not the 147 bus there, but it's a different world when you come up here to where I live in Redditch. You know, it's not my cup of tea, but hey-o, someone's got to live here. Pigeon up there, he's found a nice little home. So, well, two pigeons. So, catch you in a bit. Yeah, I'm just getting another shot of the pigeons. I've just adjusted the exposure of the GoPro. So, yeah, something different, folks. Yeah, so I'm going to see if I can find somewhere just to get something to eat before I go to the Sheldon Country Park. So let's go have a quick look round. Let's go have a nose, folks. Follow me. Yeah, hi folks. I spotted a Greggs outlet there, so I think that's where I'm going to go. They do a sandwich and a drink. I think that'll do me. Follow me. Yeah, hi folks. Yes, I went to Greggs outlet. A bit different than a normal Greggs, but had a nice chicken baguette and a coffee. It cost me £2.40. Well, I've paid more than a cup of coffee for that, so that was pretty good. Behind me, what I call the dollar shop, the pound shop here. There's quite a lot of different shops and stuff around here, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head back to get my wheels and go to Sheldon Park. So I'll see you at the park, folks. Follow me. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, that's a new sign, no cold calling. Right, just going to get to me wheels now, folks. Yeah, hi folks. That's where I'm parked on the Sony. You can't do this with a GoPro. It's one of my famous last words, I think. So I'm just going to do a little swing round here at the park. A few dog walkers around. I think I've got to go over there, so follow me. There's finger post here, so I think I'm heading the right way. So follow me, folks. Follow me. Yeah, it's a fair old walk. I don't mind. I'm a soldier, but I could have brought my bike really, but a bit of exercise don't hurt. So yeah, so I'm just heading up to the viewing area, folks. So I'm using a bit of the Sony today and a bit of the GoPro. Looks quite nice there, the colours. So I'm not too far away, I don't think. So see you in a bit. Yeah, hi folks. I'm right by the runway now, but the best view is at the end there. There's a lot of folks walking up, so I'm going to follow them folks, so follow me. Yeah, hi folks, I'm just walking up now to the end of the runway. Top tip about the GoPro, bring more than one battery. I've left my other two at home, so but I know I weren't going to be doing much filming with it today, so it doesn't matter too much. So I'm just walking up to the end of the runway and hopefully get a few shots of some planes. That's the plan. So follow me folks, follow me. Hi folks, I didn't realise I was going to start singing the song The Long Road to Tipperary. I still ain't got there yet. It's not far away. I haven't seen any more planes. I've heard a bit of noise, but hopefully get a few planes. There is another video further back on my channel when I had a trip here, well, some time ago. Now I think there's one coming down to the end to turn round to take off. It wasn't not so long ago. If you look on my Jersey, when I went to Jersey, I actually filmed outside the plane because my son said he was going to be stood down here watching me take off. Of course I was waving out the window of the plane. I wouldn't have any chance of seeing him, but anyway, he didn't go. So yeah, it's been a nice walk. My Apple Watch got a bit excited. It keeps asking me if I'm on a walk, but anyway, see you shortly folks. Yeah, there's a few folks here like me, plane spotters, so see whether we're going to see anything taking off in a sec folks. So that's the runway. It looks like they're going the other way. Sometimes they come down and take off, other times they go the other way, so we'll have a look out for the next one folks. Yeah, got one under starters orders there folks. And this is with the Sony, because you can't get these shots with a GoPro. I mean, the Sony is an absolute fantastic camera. It takes brilliant pictures as well. There she goes. There's supposed to be a Ryanair plane landing in about 5 minutes, up and under.
Yeah, that's my theory, second time.
Yeah, hi folks. I tell you, it's not a very warm day today, but hey, I'm a soldier. I could do with putting a few more layers of clothes on it. I found my hat outside. It was to fell at the car last night. Obviously it's bone dry, so we didn't have any rain last night where I am. Thanks for joining me. I think the plane's on its way in now. Catch you in a minute. Here she comes folks. Fantastic. That was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. These brakes on there. Another one, folks. That was another nice. There she goes. Yeah. Brilliant. Must have some good tyres on there. So you can't do this with a GoPro, but the GoPro's got its uses. Well, when they get the fault sorted.
Daddy!
Daddy's taking you on holiday. Is he? Where are you going? I know, but where about?
Another one, folks, coming down. Hey-oh. Hey-oh. Lovely. Right in there again. That was good, folks, coming in. He's got his headlights on. Must say it's a fantastic sight. It's well worth a trip up here. They reverse the engines to slow down. That's brilliant again. Here in the distance, folks, there's two planes on their way in, so that's good. So we'll catch you in a sec as they get a bit closer. Hi folks, you say we've got two planes coming in there, two for the price of one. Here she comes. There's quite a few folks here today, so it's lovely to see. I love the sound when it comes over the top. Hey-oh. Hey-oh. Yeah, hi folks. Well, at a different angle now, so hopefully get like a side view as this one comes down. That's the plan. So it's not very warm today, so this will probably be the last one I film today, but I will come up again. It's a lovely sort of hobby really, come up with a plane spotting. I think this is an easy jet, but I'm just calculated guess. Here she comes. So I'm on the side a bit. I was just coming over my head. Hey-oh. Hey-oh. Fantastic. We've got one over here. It's going to go and take off, folks, so we'll Wait for that to go. On the runway. Right. It's getting a bit closer. It is a bit windy here, folks, so I'm hoping the sound's alright. That's a nice little jet, that suit me, folks, that. You never know if I win the lottery. There he goes. Rev up. Under starter's orders, folks. I know of watching the programs they say rotate, I don't know what that means, but as it starts going up, there we go. Aye-oh. Aye-oh.
You know all that information.
Yeah, hi folks. I'm just waiting for one more plane to take off, so we'll catch you shortly.
I'll tell her when I get 5 minutes.
There she goes. Yeah, hi folks. I'm just waiting for the next plane to arrive. I'm on super view at the moment. I'm still messing around with the settings, so we'll definitely you'll see that train, but there's a train over there. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for the next plane to arrive, then I'm going to be heading back to my wheels because I'm starting to shiver a bit now. Anyway, catch you shortly folks. Here's the next one folks. So again I'm going to try and somehow use the two cameras, so might be a little bit shaky, but I'm trying to get the GoPro on the go as well. Yeah, hi folks, this is a clip with the GoPro, took with the 4K at 120 frames per second. Catch you in a bit folks. Here she comes. Two for the price of one. That was good. Yeah, hi folks, talking to myself then. Yeah, I'm still here. There's supposed to be a bigger plane landing at just after 12:30. It's about 12:25 now. So I did say earlier that I'm going to have some gnashers out next week. They're going to knock me out or sedate me. So I'm not looking forward to it at all, but what I'm worried about is a bit worse than having toothache in the night or anything, so I might as well get them out and out the way. So that's on the Friday next week, so I should imagine I should probably take about 5 days to recover. So it might be silent video if I don't feel like talking, or I'll just have a break. I've got a bit of housework to do at home, so if I feel up to it I can do that. So anyway, catch you shortly folks. Yeah, just another little pan round here at the airport. So there's a few folks here. It's a nice atmosphere, nice to bring your family along, bring some sandwiches, hot soup today. So it's a full house, quite a few folks here all watching the planes, which is nice. So we'll wait for the next one, then I'm off. Catch you shortly folks. Right folks, this is going to be my last one of the day. I've filmed, hopefully I've done one with the GoPro in slow motion, but just finished filming, it just switched itself off. Batteries, so I don't rate the batteries on the GoPro. In this Sony I've been filming all morning, still got a full charge. So yeah, so we've got one on its way in now. Looking forward to that. So just going to change position. It's moved. I do like being in the middle. It's almost like it's going to land on top of you. The sound. I should have brought me one of the other microphones that pick more sound up, but it's fantastic. Oh God, it's just someone to ring me now. Oh, they're going to have to wait. What a time to have a call. Here she comes, folks. That was amazing, absolutely amazing. Sorry about the phone ringing in the background folks, but I ain't stopping filming at the moment. Ayo, ayo. In there. I'm surprised they're not charging people to watch them take off, but that's another story. So yeah, there's a few families. Just going to give you a little sat there. They're all enjoying it. The kids, you know, they all love to watch the planes take off. So it's not the best of weather. I should have put an extra layer of clothes on, but hey-oh, I'm a soldier, I'll cope. I'm just going to watch this one. Hopefully that's it, because I want to get heading home now. It's lunchtime now. Right, rev her up. Off she goes. Not sure where that one's heading, but probably somewhere warmer than here. I want to go abroad myself, but it's all these tests you've got to have and everything, it puts you off. I will be having the booster vaccine in November, so that might make things even a bit better for travelling when you have that. Ayo. Ayo. So it's addictive. I'm trying to go home, folks, but there's another one landing now. So I can't resist doing another clip. So Here she comes. It's just an amazing sight when it's heading straight for you. You know, it's the sound. Brilliant. Here it comes. Lovely. Stick the brakes on, mate. On the starter's orders, it's off, folks. Taking its time. It's off. The sort of side view, folks. There. To get a different angle, so just going home there. Ryanair just landing, folks. This is just a little shot of the park as I walk back. A lot of dog walkers with the dogs. Just heading back to my wheels now. Follow me. Hi folks, I'm heading home now, heading off home. I've had enough, I'm froze. So hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've had a real good time here today, so yeah, I'm heading home now, do a bit of editing this afternoon. I might go away in the motorhome for a few days. I haven't decided yet. I had the flu jab yesterday, that was Friday, so I'm not sure when this video is going to go on, but it didn't affect me the last time. I was a bit rough in the night, but I survived. So just got one taking off in the background. It sounds really nice. That's a Ryanair, if you can hear it. I'm going back a different way. I'm going through here, so as I say, I don't know if I said it or not, but I'm ending the video. Don't forget to do the usual, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, folks. A big eye to everybody, wherever you are in the world. It's like my arm's aching. That's the one I had the jab. She said, are you right or left-handed? I said right-handed, in my arm. The flu jab that was. So yeah, anyway, I'm still surviving. Again, I say thanks for watching the videos, folks. It gives me something to do. Hobson's choice. And I say I haven't seen any kissing gates, so I'm going to do my weekly prayers for the dating site or lottery. But I say, don't ask about the date, it's like that's a waste of time. But hey-ho, I'm alright, you know, I'm a soldier. The last thing I'm going to say is stay safe, because I'm not going to say which family member, well, two of my family members have recently had the COVID. The one's had it twice. I had a bit of a joke with it. I told her she's got to put a cross on the door. Anyway, that's all for now, folks. Got somebody coming along, so I'll catch you on the next video.